Right now, it's one of those days where we have a lot of moisture in the air. We see it in the way of cloud cover. The temperature right now is 85, but it actually feels like 91 when you factor in the humidity. Now that 91, that's called a heat index. And anytime that the moisture starts getting a little higher, the heat index also climbs. And it's because our bodies will struggle to naturally cool down anytime that there is higher moisture in the air. And that's why we very often look at the heat index during the summertime months. We also saw a little bit of rain out there, a few showers from Mesquite to Garland and even in areas of Hunt County. I'm going to show you the rest of North Texas because, yeah, we're still seeing the cloud cover in the area. A few of us saw some rain this morning. We'll continue to see this rain potential thin out for the afternoon, but another round of thunderstorms possible for tonight. It won't be for everyone. DFW Airport right now reporting just a little bit of drizzle, temperature of 84 degrees. It feels like 90 when you factor in the humidity. Winds are out of the south. Dew point, that's a measure of moisture. The higher that number is, the more moisture there is in the air and the warmer it feels for us, or the muggier it feels for us. And today I do think we'll see a few more breaks in the clouds, and that's what's going to allow the temperature to climb from 88 around 1 to 93 degrees around 4. A breezy south wind gusting close to 25 miles per hour also keeps our moisture up. And look at this, rain about 20% coverage after 7. And let me talk you through that here in just a bit. Before we get to that rain, a lot of us make it into the 90s today, which is close to normal for this time of the year. Normal is 92. We'll be at 91 in Denton, 92 in Fort Worth, 90 in McKinney, 93 in Dallas, upper 80s in in eastern parts of North Texas. Okay, so this has been updated since the last half hour that I showed it to you, and it's more in line with what I'm thinking. Our severe weather outlook has parts of North Texas in a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. Most of North Texas, including the Metroplex, is at a level 1 of 5. Very low end risk to see a strong storm or two. If we see a strong storm or two, the main concern will be the potential for up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We could also see up to quarter-size hail, but I'm not really seeing too much of an indication of that. Our rain coverage for tonight, about 20%. So we have a cold front that develops thunderstorms in Oklahoma. After about 7 or 8, closer to 10, we'll see these thunderstorms dip into North Texas. This is now south of the Red River. And these storms, the more south they move, the lower in coverage they'll be and the weaker they'll get too. By about 3 in the morning, all of this is clear. So again, if you're close to Denton, Collin, maybe Wise County, you'll see some scattered thunderstorms. Isolated threat if you're in the Metroplex. Most of us will not see the storms. Again, 20% coverage. This ridge of high pressure then settles right over North Texas come Friday, Saturday. It really cuts off our rain chances, but it also increases the temperature. That's why we're seeing a degree climb just about every day until Saturday. And then we have about slim rain chances early next week. But again, no triple digits on that 14-day. We'll be back.